What's up, YouTube? Another day here at Ruffalo's garage. This guy came in having a miss on his Tahoe. Y'all can see it's like a 0304. Pretty simple. Coil pack for cylinder 6. Going to change it out real quick, and I'll go ahead and start it back up. Nothing to it, like I said. Should take me like 5 minutes tops. Changing all passenger side coil packs from a used motor. He didn't care to put new or not. It's just a work truck. It's daily. So yep, pretty simple, pretty straightforward job. We're gonna be replacing all these 4 on this side. This is the one that was bad. I don't know if y'all can see. It's not burning the water. This one was wet water, dry. You're gonna want to start by taking this little blue pin off that goes in here. Take that off. Remove this connector. Goes in the middle of the coil packs, which is this one right here. I don't like these spark plug wires, but hey, on my truck. I'm gonna start by taking off these bolts. There's 5 of them. One. And the last one is the second to last. Okie dokie. Woo. Easy peasy. Out with the old, in with the used. Ha 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 ha. Oh man. Bolts are done. Now put all the spark plugs back in. Make sure they click. Spark plug wires, my bad. The back ones. She's all said and done. Idle quietly. Doesn't die anymore. Ready for customer to pick it up.